You know that absolute headache of leaving your laptop running 24/7 just to keep your automations alive? Or maybe you're just tired of handing over high monthly fees for cloud sauce. Well, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into a highly efficient way to handle your backend operations that literally changes the game. Right now, standard cloud hosting for N8N is going to set you back around $25 a month. But what if I told you there's a highly efficient alternative? We're going to look at how you can completely bypass those hefty fees and build a professional-grade, self-hosted automation powerhouse for just $5 a month. Yeah, just $5. The brilliant insights driving this explainer were produced by Waqas Ahmed Shah. He's an educator and an expert AI agents and automation builder who creates some seriously dynamic solutions for educators, traders, and startups based out of Karachi, Pakistan. All right, here's our quick high-value game plan for today. We'll uncover the $5 secret, break down the N and team architecture, walk through a seamless deployment, explore advanced features, and then recap your next steps. Section 1, the $5 secret, unlockingrailway.com. Okay, let's dive right into this. The hosting platform we highly recommend to pull this off is called Railway, and honestly, it's incredibly cost-effective for exactly what we need to do. Now, Railway does offer a free trial, but listen, you really want to skip that. It's usually slow and laggy and just not worth the hassle. Instead, you're going to want to grab their $5 hobby plan because for $5, you are essentially renting a heavy-duty virtual computer running 24/7, packed with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 8 CPU cores. It's an absolute steal. Section 2, the N8N team, architecture breakdown. Let's actually demystify the backend tech here. To make it super easy to visualize, we're going to frame the N8N system components as a highly efficient, perfectly synchronized corporate team. First up, meet the brain of the operation, the primary node. Think of this as your very first point of contact. It takes in the initial requests, like, say, from a user on your website. But it doesn't actually do the heavy lifting itself. It simply receives the data and decides exactly which specific workflow needs to be triggered. Next up is Redis, or as we like to call it, the manager. Redis is the ultimate delegator in this setup. When a request comes in from the primary node, Redis creates a job and aggressively looks for a free worker to assign that task to. This management layer is exactly what keeps your whole system from lagging under pressure. Then we've got the worker, the doer. This is the absolute muscle of the operation. While the primary node is busy taking in more requests, the worker is in the background actually executing the tasks. Whether that's calling an AI API like ChatGPT or writing out a complex document, the worker gets it done. And finally, rounding out the team, we have PostgreSQL. This is your reliable storage. It's the secure database that safely saves all of your process data and workflow status updates the second the worker finishes a job. And this brilliantly illustrates how no data ever gets lost. So let's put this into perspective with a real-life scenario. Imagine 1,000 users request an automated LinkedIn post at the exact same time. On a basic local setup, boom, the system immediately crashes. But with this distributed team, no problem. The primary node accepts all 1,000 requests instantly. Redis queues them up perfectly, the workers execute them one by one as they free up, and the database stores the final posts. It is just flawless execution. Section 3, deployment, launching on Railway. So with the architecture totally demystified, let's shift gears to the actionable phase, actually getting this thing deployed. You're going to love this because the deployment is shockingly simple. Once you log in and securely add your payment card, just a quick side note, make sure international transactions are enabled on your local bank app. You literally just create an empty project. From there, you search for and deploy the specific N8N with workers template. Once it finishes loading, you just click the primary link provided to configure your secure owner account. That's it. Section 4, advanced features, upgrading your setup. Now, self-hosting isn't just about saving cash and stopping crashes. It actually unlocks some serious professional capabilities that you just can't get easily on a local machine. We are talking massive, rapid-fire benefits here. First, you instantly get access to webhooks, meaning you can receive real-time data from external apps. You unlock WhatsApp triggers, you get to swap out Railway's random URL for your own custom company domain. And get this, you can even grab a free license key directly from N8N via email to unlock advanced debugging features. It's a total game changer. Section 5, recap and next steps, maximizing your ROI. So the crucial point here is maximizing your return on investment. Let's do a quick wrap-up of the journey we've just taken. This quote right here is the core thesis of our explainer. Self-hosting allows small businesses to run professional-grade automation for $5 a month rather than paying for expensive SaaS tiers. You are quite literally getting the power, stability, and advanced features of an enterprise tech stack for the price of a cup of coffee. Which leaves us with one final, pretty exciting question. How much could you save and scale by switching your automations to a $5 self-hosted setup today? I mean, the tools are right in front of you. It's time to supercharge your workflows. Thanks so much for joining us on this explainer.